I already know that some of you out there don't enjoy eggnog. And while I love this stuff, I also can't blame you. It's certainly a distinctive, strong flavor. Thankfully, there's a new substitute in town. My Not Nog cocktail is a deliciously rich and creamy way to get into the holiday spirit. Plus, it calls for a salted caramel whiskey. And how cool is this bottle? I can't get enough of it. So as the party invites start rolling in, don't be shy. Now is the perfect time to share this new seasonal favorite with all your friends and family. Plus, you can let them know that this libation is Queen Bee approved.